Most homeowners look at a shiny new heat pump and think they're all built the same, but there's a massive gap between looking good and actually being protected from a neighborhood kid's stray kickball or a hailstorm. I spent years as a Navy nuclear electrical operator before moving into the HVAC field, and I've seen exactly how a lack of protection can turn a $10,000 investment into a scrap metal project. We are looking at two very different ways to approach heating and cooling your home: the AireForce FSH4BF and the Luxaire HL19. Let's get into the build quality, because this is where the rubber meets the road. The Luxaire HL19 uses slotted panels. Now, that is a significant step up from those cheap wire grills you see on bottom tier units, but it's still not the gold standard. For that, you look at the AireForce FSH4BF. It features true louvered steel panels. In the field, we want those louvers because they offer the maximum protection for your condenser coils against physical damage while still allowing for proper airflow. When it comes to efficiency, we're talking about real-world winter heating costs. The AireForce FSH4BF delivers a 7.8 HSPF. It's a workhorse powered by a two-stage compressor. That two-stage tech means the unit has two gears. It can run at a lower capacity for those mild days to save you money, then kick into high gear when the weather actually gets nasty. The Luxaire HL19 is a more premium-leaning unit with a two-stage scroll compressor and an HSPF 2 rating of 8.1. Now, what are you actually paying for? Luxaire has long been a flagship brand under Johnson Controls, but the landscape just changed. The Johnson Controls residential business was recently purchased by Bosch Home Comfort. This means you're getting that legacy engineering backed by Bosch's massive global footprint. AireForce, on the other hand, is the high-value alternative, giving you that heavy-duty louvered cabinet and solid two-stage performance without the flagship price tag. Let's talk numbers. Based on current market data, the equipment-only price for a Luxaire unit like this is around $5,300 with a full professional installation, averaging about $7,550. For the AireForce FSH4BF, the equipment cost is significantly lower, with units found around $1,999. This puts a full professional installation for the AireForce at an average of roughly $4,242. You're looking at a massive price gap for very similar mechanical technology. Quick maintenance tip: no matter which one you pick, keep the area around your unit clear. Those louvers on the AireForce are great for protection, but if you let leaves and dirt pack in behind them, your efficiency will drop through the floor and you'll be calling me for a repair you could have avoided with a garden hose. So here's the verdict: if you want the best bang for your buck and a cabinet that can actually survive a hit, the AireForce FSH4BF is the clear winner. You're getting the same two-stage comfort and superior coil protection while keeping a few $1,000s in your pocket. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC Dash for dashbeginners.com.